everyone, welcome back to Practice with Pooja YouTube channel. So today in this video I will share something that which is very important, very necessary, that who want to learn English language, who want to improve your English language. So let's further ado. So if you want to learn English language and you are a beginner, so what will I have to do? First of all, you will have to be regular. You will have to be consistently. If you will be a regular, then you can improve your English language. You will be a regular every day. If you will do practice every single day, then after doing a practice, you will see your improvement. So why am I saying that we regularly? I will give you some real life example. Suppose if you are a fatty and you want to lose your weight. So what will I have to do? We will do exercise, we will follow the diet plan. Yes, but if you think that if you will follow a diet plan only one day, so can you reduce your weight? I think that no, you cannot reduce your weight, you cannot lose your weight. Why? Because if you will do practice every day, every single day, be regularly, if you will do practice regularly day by day, then after doing exercise you will see your improvement. You will see that yes, today I lose the 4 kg weight. But if you think that no, if I will do practice only one day 4 and 5 hours, then I can reduce my weight, I can lose my weight 4 and 5 kg only one day. It is not possible. Why? Because you will have to be a regular. If you will do exercise every single day, then you will see your improvement, and you will see after so many days that yes, I lose the weight 4 and 5 kg. As well as same thing is that in a learning language. If you want to learn English language, so you will be a regular. If you will be a regular person, then you can improve your English language. You can see your improvement, and you will be a confident person, and you can speak confidently, and you also speak fluently. That is why I am saying to you that you will be a regular. Because what happened, we want to learn English language, but we are not regular. We will do practice only single or one day, and 4 to 5 hours. I will give you time 4 to 5 hours. But can you learn English language only single day? No, you cannot learn English language only single day. You will have to give time every day, at least 5 to 10 minutes, more than 1 hour. You will have to give every single day. If you will give time every day, then you can improve your English speaking, and you can speak, you can learn as much as you want, and you also become a fluent person to like another person. So this is my short opinion. How is this video? Please tell me in comments box and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.